Someone once said that I can accept failure. Everyone fails at something, but I can't accept not trying. A very good morning to respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, worthy teachers, and all my dear friends. I welcome you all after the autumn break. Let's resume our journey with a new hope in our eyes, aspiration in our hearts, and enthusiasm in our souls. And let's strive for excellence. Today's morning assembly is being conducted by the students of grade 9D, and theme for the assembly is failure, the stepping stone to success. To begin with, let's get ready for the morning prayer. Praise Him, praise Him, praise Him in the morning, praise Him in the noontime, praise Him when the sun goes down. Thank Him, thank Him, thank Him in the morning, thank Him in the noontime, thank Him when the sun goes down. Serve Him, serve Him, serve Him in the morning, serve Him in the noontime, serve Him when the sun goes down. Serve Him when the sun goes down. Serve Him when the sun goes down.
Awesome morning to all. Today's thought is failure is not the opposite of success. It's a part of success. I repeat, failure is not the opposite of success. It's a part of success. Thank you.
Good morning. The word of the day is persistence, meaning continued or prolonged existence of something. This word can be used in a sentence like his persistence in asking for a raise was finally rewarded. Thank you.
A very good morning to all of you. For most people, failure dampens their motivation and makes them feel like quitting. But for the people with the right mindset, failure could, however, be a great source of
If you have
motivation.
never failed, you have never lived, is how the saying goes. Failure is probably one of the aspects in life most people are afraid of. But the truth is, everyone has failed and everyone will fail again. Most successful people have failed, but they stood up and tried again, time and after. They did not stop after their failure. When people become successful, we focus on the bright side of their success, but we forget about the years of hard work, struggle, and failure, which brings the most inspiring and motivational stories. So, do not be afraid of failure. They are the part of your road to success. There is value in failure. Through failure, you can rethink, reconsider, and make new ways and strategies to your success. Failure makes us understand ourselves better and we learn from our mistakes.
When
Thank you.
Steve Jobs was kicked out of the company, he started in his parents' garage. It felt like the world has come to an end for him. However, Jobs dusted himself off, started other companies, and was eventually brought back to be the CEO of a struggling Apple. He then went on to transform it into the trillion-dollar company it is today. After experiencing a major failure, you feel like you don't have it in you to achieve your dreams. However, if there's one thing you can learn from the failure of some of the world's most successful people is that failure is
What you can learn from failures is that failure is not the end of the road. It is possible to overcome your failure and go on to achieve greater success than you had ever envisioned.
I request everyone to stand up for COVID oath. I promise that I will take all the precautions to stop the spread of coronavirus. I will always wear mask, maintain a distance of 2 meters and wash my hands with soap regularly. Together we can fight coronavirus. Thank you.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे